of their house. The water reached the first floor and almost got to the second, and they didn't have any water. So JR himself waded through the flood water to get some water the next day. However, before that, he also asked Welco if he could borrow a truck to try to get to his family, which they lent him. But the flood water was so deep that even the truck couldn't get through. Most important thing, JR says, hindi baling magamit na nawala, basta safe yung pamilya mo. Miko and Kenito?
I really have to second the motion. Again, we are having staging this charity game as Giles Connect para matulungan natin lahat ng naapektuhan, lahat ng nasalanta ng bagyong Ondoy. It's a kind of calamity that affects everyone. Even if you were not directly affected, you are bound to know someone. You're bound to have a loved one who was affected by the typhoon.
My brother-in-law was affected. Here's Japet Aguilar, the first local scorer for Smart Gilas on the alley-oop play.
Japet, of course, prior to the typhoon, siya rin yung laman ng jari. He also has a lot to prove tonight. Sunny toss, there's the rebound, and there's a loose ball foul against Gilas.
I think that might be against Giles. No, Dylan Ababu is called for the foul. He wants the pass here coming from Andy Barroca.
Thunderous dunk by Japet Aguilar.
And that's great coordination on the part of the point guard and Japet Aguilar. You know, in the UAAP, Coach Taraman was saying that Barroca was playing the off-guard position, but he really wanted to play point guard. Look at the way he's going.
Barroca was
out of control that time.
Ball was partially swiped by Willie Miller. Dillinger pulls up, no go. Giles with the rebound, and Timor and Giles to send you to Patricia Hizo.
You know, Kenito, you started talking about the altercation between Rene Del Campo and CJ Giles. Just to add to that, Giles says that he was surrounded during that fight, but his brother Malcolm, who's here from the States, came in to basically get his back. Now Giles says tonight this game here is a lot bigger than himself, and he's just focusing on what he can do here. He knows that Gilas special teams, he's beaten them in Vegas. Now his big adjustment going into tonight's game is to be more aggressive and more physical and more offensive-minded. He tends to be passive, he says, but no, not tonight, and obviously that's a big statement for him. Back to you guys.
Well, you know, Patricia is practically doing everything here for Smart Gilas. He's got 9 of Gilas' 11 points. He's got 9 of Gilas' 11 rebounds.
Santos attacks with the shot clock winding down. Barroca is on the move. Barroca is bumped. And there's a foul spotted by referee Boy Cruz. So, by the way, is our Chief Justice tonight. And he's joined by Tronjiel Daba and Art Herrera in our Supreme Court.
You know, I'm looking at Coach Raiko Taraman. I don't know if our cameraman can switch over to the Smart Gilas side. And for every play, he feels that there is a lesson to be learned. Last particular play, he turned over to the boys on his bench, and he explained to them what happened and what could have happened. And, you know, that's his reputation. He's a teacher. And Aguilar hitting it from outside. Now, by the way, that's a three-point shot, and we're playing under new PBA rules. We're going back to the old distance, which is the NBA distance of three-point shooting in the PBA.
James Yap for three.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Check that. That's a long two-pointer for the man with a million moves. That extends Powerade's lead to 3 points, 17-14. Here's Barroca. Barroca fires. Barroca scores.
We told you about his outside shooting prowess, and that's the reason why he's in. That's also the reason why Winnie Arboleda was brought in by Coach Chiao. They don't want Barroca to take over this game from the outside and kick up the pace.
Ball stays with Powerade. And Santos will sit down in favor of team captain Asi Taulava.
You know, we talked about Barroca scoring 28 points against Lebanon in the FIBA Asian Champions Cup this year. What about Barroca's 37 points that he scored against Burger King? Remember that tune-up game?
Missed by Gabe Norwood. And it's going to be Smart Gilas basketball. And we're all tied at 16 apiece with 2:52 remaining in the first. We'll be back after this timeout.
Ooh, gravy love, my gravy. and original recipe chicken. The more you taste, the more you love.
You're just so thin, girl, thin, girl. Who knows better than whatever? Who knows what's good for you? Who's always there in times that not so better? Who cares to see you through? Knows the best, yes, and nothing less. She knows the best for you.
Love you, Mommy.
Yes,